Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Emma and Jones, the podcast where you learn real, natural English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Jones, and today's episode will change the way you think about English literally. Because today, we're not just going to learn English. We're going to think in English. Not translate. Not memorize. Just think, like native speakers do, fast, naturally, without effort. And I'll guide you through it, step by step, with real sentences, fun shadowing exercises, and simple tricks that train your brain. So, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. And let's dive in. Why thinking in English matters? Let's start with a simple truth. If you want to speak English fluently, you have to stop translating in your head. If every time you want to say a sentence, you first think in your language, then find the English words, then say it out loud, it's too slow. Your brain feels tired. You lose confidence. But guess what? You can retrain your brain. You can teach it to think directly in English without stress, without delay. And it starts with small steps. Let's begin. Technique 1. Start with micro thoughts. Don't try to speak big, complicated sentences. Start small, one idea at a time. Repeat after me. I'm sitting in a chair. I'm holding my phone. My room is quiet. I'm learning English. Again. I'm sitting in a chair. I'm holding my phone. My room is quiet. I'm learning English. These are micro thoughts, short ideas that describe your now. They are the first building blocks of fluency. Technique 2. Use this is. Practice. Look around you. Point to things and name them. This is my pen. This is my cup. This is my pillow. This is a notebook. Now add more details. This is my black notebook. This is a hot cup of tea. This is my soft blue pillow. The more you connect English words with real objects, the faster you build real-world vocabulary. Technique 3. Time travel with English. Let's talk about yesterday and tomorrow. Repeat after me. Yesterday. I woke up late. I ate breakfast quickly. I didn't check my phone. I felt tired. Tomorrow. I will study English in the morning. I will meet my friend. I will drink more water. I will go to sleep early. Now, mix it. Yesterday was busy. Tomorrow will be calm. You're now time traveling in English. That's fluency. Technique 4. Describe people you know. Let's talk about someone you know, your friend, your sister, your teacher. Repeat with me. My friend is kind. He works a lot. He always helps me. He drinks too much coffee. Now describe another person. My teacher is smart. She explains things clearly. She wears glasses. She talks fast, but I understand. You're not just learning grammar. You're connecting English to real people in your life. Technique 5. Your daily routine in English. Let's now describe your full day. Repeat with me. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I check my phone. I go to work. I come home at night. I eat dinner. I watch a video. I sleep. Again, but faster. Wake up, brush, shower, eat, phone, work, home, dinner, video, sleep. This is your routine, and now it's in English. Technique 6. Feel the emotions. Let's talk about how you feel. This creates strong memory in your brain. Repeat. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous. I feel excited. I feel bored. I feel focused. Now add why. I feel happy because I'm learning. I feel tired because I didn't sleep well. I feel excited about my goals. Emotion makes English stick. Bonus. Mini story for immersion. Now, I'll tell you a small story. You'll shadow with me and imagine it in your mind. Ready? I wake up early. The sun is shining. I stretch and smile. I walk to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. The smell is strong and warm. I sit by the window. I hear birds. I see the street. People are walking. Cars are moving slowly. I take a sip of coffee. It tastes a little bitter, but I like it. I open my notebook. I write my goals. Practice English. Eat healthy. Be kind. I feel ready. It's going to be a good day. Now, close your eyes and say the story again in your own words. This is real fluency training. Technique 7. Shadow, shadow, shadow. Everything you just heard, repeat it out loud, again and again. Shadowing means copying the sounds you hear immediately without thinking too much. Let's try again. Say it with me. I open the window. I see the street. I drink my coffee. I write my goals. I feel ready. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Shadowing trains your mouth. Shadowing trains your mind. Shadowing makes you fluent. Final challenge for you. Every day this week, choose one of these techniques. Describe your routine. Talk about yesterday. Use "this is." Make a mini story. Shadow your thoughts. Even 5 minutes a day will rewire your brain to think naturally in English. And the best part? It gets easier every day. You're doing something amazing. Learning a new language takes courage. It takes consistency. And you're showing up. Don't worry about grammar right now. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on progress, on practice, on small steps. Because that's how real fluency is built, little by little, with love, repetition, and joy. I believe in you. Emma believes in you. And soon, you will believe in yourself. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel Learn English with Emma and Jones. Click the like button. Leave a comment with your favorite sentence today. And share this with a friend who wants to think in English too. We make new videos just like this, fun, relaxing, and full of shadow practice to help you grow every single week. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. Keep going. I'm Jones, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep thinking, keep smiling. Bye for now.